Are you a foreign medical graduate preparing for the next FMG 2026? Then let me tell you this thing. FMG is not about studying everything, it's about mastering the right subjects at the right time. If you are tired of wasting your time over the less important subjects, then this video will be the roadmap to your success. To know more, enroll with us by filling in the form in the description. Hi, my name is Dr. Anandika Prasad, and I am right here to break down for you the subjects which carry the highest weightage and are really scoring. Every year, thousands of students are failing because they fail to concentrate on which subjects to study first, which subjects to give more importance to. Let me help it out. Know your paper first. Your first paper, which is the preclinical paper, will comprise of subjects like anatomy, physio, biochem, microbiology, pathology, PSM, FMT, and some allied subjects. Now, today we are going to discuss the topics that will carry a higher weightage and are most important to cover first and give more time to. Subjects in your first paper, subjects like biochemistry, pathology, microbiology, PSM, FMT. These subjects are really scoring and could be covered with the rapid revision videos available on various subscriptions online. Before discussing the sources for these subjects, let me tell you this thing. Some subjects out of this can be really volatile, so you need more and more revision and consistency with these subjects. Apart from that, you should be solving a lot of clinical questions from the FMG solutions, the Q banks, make your own mind map, find the video solutions for it. For subjects like anat and physiology, please stick to the rapid revision videos which are available on your preferred online subscription. Don't go for the main videos as it will be a waste of time. Practice a lot of previous year questions, 5-year questions of FMG and 3 years past questions from the NEET PG, and you are good to go. For subjects like microbiology, biochemistry, you need to form the core for these subjects. And as these subjects are really volatile, you need to be revising it a lot. Again, refer to the rapid revision videos and stick to it. We have a very good teacher like Dr. Shanmukh Priya available on the rapid revision videos of Prep Ladder. And I think you're good to go for biochemistry. Subjects like microbiology and pathology, these two subjects could be studied together from Dr. Preeti Sharma, the greatest of all lecturers. Again, stick to the rapid revision videos and it covers the most important PYTs and PYQs. Practice a lot of image-based questions for both the subjects. Now let me tell you this one golden rule. Pathology is going to form the core for your medicine. You are going to get questions which are clinically correlated from medicine and pathology. So revise pathology nicely, practice a lot of image-based questions, a lot of PYTs and PYQs, and stick to your rapid revision videos and revise your notes. Preparing for pharmacology, PSM and FMT requires a smart, high-yielding, MCQ-oriented approach. These subjects are frequently tested and can be really high scoring. Remember this golden rule. One teacher, one subject, one note. Whichever source you're choosing for your own subject, be smart with your choice and stick to it till the end. Link your clinical subjects with pharmacology, pathology and microbiology, like the drug plus mechanism of action related to a particular disease, or any slide which is a microbiological or a pathological slide which is related to a particular disease. Remember, your goal is 150, so you need to be very strategic about how to go about preparing for FMG. You cannot learn everything about everything, but you should know something about everything. The clinical part of your paper, which is around the 60 to 70% of your paper, is going to comprise of subjects like medicine, obs-gynae, surgery, pediatrics, ENT and ophthalmology. Rest of the small subjects are going to be aligned with these subjects. For example, orthopedics, radiology, anesthesia, etc. For medicine, you need to focus more on the diagnosis, treatment protocols and management protocols. Since we are only discussing high yield subjects for FMG, but if you want a detailed description on the high yield topics that are related to these subjects to be more precise, then enroll with us and fill the form given in the description box and let us help you out. You can study medicine, surgery, obs, gynae from the main video lectures, given you have the right schedule made for you. Since making a schedule that does not overestimate your capabilities and does not underestimate the weightage of the subject, if you have the right and appropriate schedule for the next 6 months, you will be good to go for these subjects. After covering these many subjects, the short subjects could be done alongside as quick boosters. Still, for short subjects, stick to the rapid revision videos again. ENT, ophthalmology and pediatrics also could be covered from the rapid revision videos of your choice, but I would say just stick to one choice till the end. Practice a lot of clinical based questions for these subjects, a lot of image based questions which are of the high yielding topics or the previous year topics that has been frequently repeated. Do not forget this golden rule. While you are studying with each given subjects, practice the video solutions for the previous year which are available on YouTube. Remember, consistency and hard work is the key. That's all for this time. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and fill in the form that's given in the description link below. Thank you.